tayo sa SMDC at i-welcome po natin si Clarence sa kanyang painting.
Welcome home!
Thank you!
Guys, hindi pa nakita ni Miss Elle yung unit niya and it's her first time to see.
Yes, I'm so excited!
After so many weeks of Viber, finally.
Yes, finally.
So
this is the first look. I'm so excited. Ano po sa ako?
okay.
Alright, ready?
Your friend was waiting inside, so Miss Gwen, one, two, three. Oh, wow!
Oh my Oh my goodness! Thank you so much! I'm so happy!
Ang TV panel po.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I want this one! Gandang di nakala.
Ready ka na ba, ma'am?
Okay. Salamat. Wow! Oh my God! Wow! Oh my goodness! You know, before when I look at when I saw the photos, akala ko like it looks like a dungeon. Chris! Oh my God! Hindi ko siya! Oh, like, ikaw talaga pahabog ka.
I told you, sabi ko 2 days.
Oh my God! And then,
And of course, naman.
Goodness, no?
From dungeon to
From dungeon to Insta-word. I love that, Krish. Hello, Krish. I didn't expect this one because I thought that it will make it. Oh, thank you. Yes, something like I'm going to be very proud to show all. Oh my gosh, so lit. I love the mirror.
Hello,
I know. Krish 3 weeks ago, and we talk about my plan, the inspiration of like my ideas and all that kind of stuff. And from the time that Krish provided me the mood board, I was very happy. And I didn't expect her to complete the work within 3 weeks because it's a big project. I have a 2-bedroom condo unit. And I just arrived today from the airport, fresh from Brisbane, Australia, and I'm so happy with the results considering like the small time frame that they've done to complete the work. I'm very happy. Thank you, Krish, and thank you, Manila Interior. We're doing a great job. I'm so happy with it.